Steve is very shy and withdrawn, invariably helpful but with very little interest in people or the world of reality. A meek and tidy soul, he has a need for order and structure and a passion for detail. Which of the following do you find more likely? Steve is a librarian, or Steve is a farmer? Most say that he's more likely to be a librarian. After all, these traits line up better with the stereotypical view of a librarian than a farmer. The point is not whether people hold correct or biased views about the personalities of librarians and farmers. It's that almost nobody thinks to incorporate information about the ratio of farmers to librarians in their judgments. In their paper, Kahneman and Tversky said that in the US, that ratio is about 20 to 1. Now, if you do think to make that estimate, you might start by picturing a representative sample, say 200 farmers and 10 librarians. Then, when you hear of this meek and tidy soul description, let's say that your gut instinct is that 40% of librarians would fit that description, and that 10% of farmers would. If those are your estimates, it would mean that from your sample, you would expect about 4 librarians to fit the description, and about 20 farmers to fit that description. So, the probability that a random person among those who fit this description is a librarian is 4 out of 24, or 16.7%. So even if you think that a librarian is 4 times as likely as a farmer to fit this description, that's not enough to overcome the fact that there are way more farmers.